today's video, I'm going to talk about the fulcrum of a healthy relationship. The fulcrum of a healthy relationship is how you receive from the other person in your life. So if you receive from the other person freely, you don't feel obligated. It doesn't matter how they gave it, it matters how you received it. So when you receive something from another person, they give to you, they do something for you, just receive it freely. Now, when you begin to receive freely from another person, that leads to something called responsibility. And we all have responsibilities to each other, but none of us owe anything to anybody, and none of us deserve anything from anybody else. But we have tremendous responsibilities to each other. So when you receive freely, you can give to the other person responsibly, freely. That leads to fulfillment. So on teams, what I encourage people to do is to grow in humility and become more valuable to the team. And when you do that, give responsibly, grow in humility, that leads to fulfillment. So here's the rule. None of us owe and none of us deserve. But that's a really hard way to think about it. Can you receive freely from another person? And can you give freely? If you can, it's a much healthier way to have a relationship. Hey, I hope this helped you, and God bless.